Hey guys, Chlorine King here. You see the fountain here? See the far left where the fountain is not smooth there at the spillover? So I am going to show you how to fix that in a quick moment. So let's go and get started. So you can see here that's a piece of stone that's stuck in the mouth of the water feature. So all you need is something thin like a butter knife or a sawzall blade, and basically you need to stick it in there and make sure you're not too forceful with it, and just knock it loose. And you just keep working at it. And there we go, now it's fixed. So if your water feature is doing that, that is a quick and simple tip and tutorial on how to get it to function right. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day, everyone.